Hello, and welcome to Fix Provider Instructional Video Guides. In this video, we're going to replace the screen in an Apple iPhone 6s. However, it applies to iPhone 6, 6 Plus, and 6s Plus as well. Step 1. Use the pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two screws located at the bottom of the iPhone. Step 2. Place the suction cup on the upper side of the home button and gently lift the screen while using the triangle opening tool to separate the screen from the iPhone. You can now lift the screen. Step 3. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the screen connector bracket. Then, use the flat end of the spudger to remove the bracket itself and detach the three cables that connect the screen to the iPhone so you can remove it entirely. Step 4. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the earpiece speaker bracket and remove the bracket itself. Lift the front camera and remove the earpiece speaker from the screen. Next, use the flat end of the spudger to remove the ambient light sensor from its place. Again, use the flat end of the spudger to separate the microphone cable from the adhesive holding it. Step 5. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the LCD shield plate. Next, use the flat end of the spudger to unfold the adhesive strips holding the LCD shield plate. You can now remove the shield plate itself. Step 6. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the home button bracket, then remove the bracket itself. Next, use the flat end of the spudger to detach the home button cable. You can now remove the home button from the screen. Step 7. Reattach the home button and connect its cable to the new screen. Then, reinstall the home button bracket using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 8. Reinstall the LCD shield plate to the new screen using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 9. Attach the microphone cable to the adhesive. Next, put the ambient light sensor, earpiece speaker, and the front camera back into their place. You can now reinstall the earpiece speaker bracket using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 10. Reconnect the 3 screen cables, then reinstall the connector bracket using the Phillips screwdriver. Step 11. Push the screen into the top of the iPhone first, then slide your hand down to lock it into its place. Finally, reinstall the bottom 2 screws using the pentalobe screwdriver, and you're all done.